Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide details regarding and rough effect response video demo by using the file which we have in the previous video. We just converted it to CSV file. That file only I used here. That file I just downloaded from Happy Faces. Then you can just notice that what is the tech lab it is having, what are the features it is having. It is having nearly unnamed text and a label, so we are getting the info of the data set. It is showing that what is the type, whether it is integer or object or not. Then we are checking whether it is having any missing values, but it is not having any missing or null values. Then we are checking the shape of the data set. Then all the label we are just plotting to just check the value counts of how many zeros and is there and how many one is there. Then in the x variable and y variable determination, for x variable determination we have chosen this text, and in this y variable we have chosen this label. And by using this x variable and y variable, we are determining other four functions like x train, x test, and y train and y test by using the train test split function, and we have given the test size as 0.2. Then we have making feature extraction by using the count vectorizer. This count vectorizer is going to transform this x train and x test, because since it is a string we have to convert it into vector. For that only we are giving this count vectorizer. So when we are getting the shape. In this demo we are going to work with logistic regression. So that initially we have declared the library for logistic regression, and then we are calling this logistic regression library within an variable, and then we are training our model by using the fit function, and by using this xtrain variable which is vectorized, and the ytrain variable. Then we are transforming this xtest variable also by using this vectorizer. Then that vectorized value only we are making for the testing, that is with the predict function, and making the predictions. In the prediction we are getting the array. Then we are making to display our confusion matrix plot. So this is the confusion matrix plot. You can notice that our data set is having more entries, but here it is having only some less number of entries. The reason is we are only using 20% of the data for testing, and this confusion matrix is taken by using the test value only. Here you can notice by using the test value only we are plotting this confusion matrix. So only 20% of the data will be used for this confusion matrix determination. And also the other classification report values determination, we are declaring the values like precision, recall, F1 score, support, accuracy, micro average, and weighted average. The accuracy we have got as 86, and the average precision, that is macro average precision, is 0.84. Recall macro average is 0.81, and F1 score macro average is 0.82. Others weighted average for every values like precision, recall, and F1 score is 0.86. So in the next video we will be working with support vector mission, and we will make a comparison with logistic regression and support vector mission. And based on the comparison we will just conclude that within this logistic regression and support vector mission, which algorithm is going to provide better results with this particular data set. And if you are interested in knowing some other demo video means, kindly let us know in the comment box. So if you are aware of it means, we will definitely make a video regarding it. Thank you.